class, welcome back my class. You know what, today we have a special lesson planned just for you. So make sure there's an adult with you that can help us with what we need for our class. So what do you need? You need a ball, any kind of ball, or a tennis ball, or a soccer ball, or a box, and our stationery, an A4 clean page of paper, your crayons, all the color crayons that you have, pencils, rulers, and a scissor and glue. So always keep that close for our class, because in all the classes we're going to work with our hands, with numbers of course. I want to ask you a question. How are you doing and how is it going at home? I know you've been in your home for about, how many days is it now? Is it 1? Is it 2? 3? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many days have you been at home? Whew. It's been many. Let's count back. 10, 9, 8, 7. Join me. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But I want to tell you a secret, is that your home can be a classroom of itself. You would say, Monique, what are you talking about? I want you to look around the room that you're sitting in, around your house, and look for all the different shapes that you can see with your eyes. So I'm going to now look in the room, in our classroom, and see, but where's the shape? Oh, there. What shape is that again, that window? It looks like a square. And that door? If you turn the door on its side, but that's a rectangle. Whew. What other shapes can you see in your own home? So, that means that if we look with our eyes and search for shapes, that we will find it. You'll even see if your mom has a sweet jar where she puts all the sweet treats in, or that she puts the rice in, that is a circle. The lid is a circle. Take a look. I want to show you something. Even this bowl that I have here is a circle shape, right? But this one, you can actually put cereal with milk in. So this is an empty bowl. When there's cereal in, it's filled up. But this is also a shape. So with your eyes, look carefully at what is in your home. And in that way, your home can become your classroom. That's wonderful, huh? Even you can do some exercises in your own home. Let's do jumping up and down together. While we do that, let's count to 5 and see how your house can actually become your own classroom. Hands stretched out high to the ceiling, and let's jump. 1, 2, 3, ceiling? I didn't, I'm a bit short. And you? How high could you jump? Great effort. I see you are trying. Keep it up. Thank you, Mommy and Dad, for bringing all the stuff that we need. We appreciate you. Grannies, granddads, uncles, aunts, brothers, sisters, we appreciate you. Thank you for joining us in our class. Now, let me grab my box that I have. Can you see that I brought a box to our class today? So why did I bring this? For you, you have your ball or box. Same thing. I want to ask you, if I move the box on top of my head, where is the box now? Where are you? Where are you? It's on top of my head. If I place the box here, close to my ear, it is next to my head. If I place the box under my chin, where is the box in relation to my face? It's at the bottom or below my face. Can you see that? And if I move it next to this ear, I gave you a clue there. Where is it? It is next to my face. So now, parents, take the ball or box and put it next to their face, the top or the bottom, and ask them to tell you where it is. Are they correct? I'm sure my class, I'm sure you've got that. If they can answer correctly, give them a high five. Here we go. You are learning so well. I'm so proud of you. That is why you will enjoy the next activity so much. So bring all your stationery. Let's have fun together. For your homework, one last thing. Adults, practice this by using a ball or a box and see if your child can tell you where is the ball. Is the ball on top, next to, or at the bottom? What you can add is if you place it inside something, like a ball inside. I'm going to use this apple. So ask them, where is the apple now? And they should tell you it is inside. Where's the apple now? It is next to it. Where's the apple hiding now? Below, at the bottom of it. Where's the apple now in relation to the bowl? It's on top. So if you can ask them to tell you, and that we can get this concept right for them, that will be wonderful as well. For our next fun activity, you will need the following. You will need your color crayons. You can find mine. I'm going to use a red. See if you can find a red crayon. There we go. And, oh, I love this color. Can you name this color of my crayon? It is yellow. What do I have here? What is this color? It's the color of the ocean, like splashing in the sea, our song. Also the color of the sky, when there's very few clouds. What is it? It is blue. What other colors do I have? Who can tell me? The color is, remember, it's the color of grass, of leaves in summer. Of course, it's green. Say green. It's green. Two more. Let's find two more colors. What will I get? Yeah. Orange. Do you have an orange crayon? Bring it closer and put it next to the other colors. One more. Let's see. One of my favorite colors. Pink. I love pink, so I'm going to use pink. So, you're probably wondering, what are we going to do with these colors? Well, let's reveal. Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Make your own drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Ta-da! We are going to make shapes. Shapes with colors. So, I want you to take your yellow. Remember, if you have different colors, don't worry at all. As long as you are drawing the shapes with us and having fun, not a worry at all. But if you can, try and follow and make the shapes the same as mine and the same color, because I have a plan. There's something up my sleeve. Let's make, with your yellow, let's make a circle. Let's color it in. Let's color in. Let's color it in. Color in your circle. A triangle. Let's make a triangle with orange. Make them almost the same size. If you can, make them almost the same size and color in your triangle. What about our oval shape? Can you remember how the oval shape looks? It's not quite as round, but more longer. Oval. Let's color in. Color, color, color. The colors of the rainbow. Color, color, color. How are they doing, adults? Excellent. Let's count how many shapes do we have here. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Our next shape coming up. Let's draw a square together. A square. Color, color, color. Adults, can you please also grab a pair of scissors for us and some glue. A scissor and glue. We'll be drawing, we'll wait for you. So for our next, let's see, our next shape, what are we missing? We have circle, triangle, oval and a square shapes. We've got 4 shapes, but we are missing 2. You're right, we're missing a rectangle. Absolutely. Let's make a rectangle with our green. Haha. And color in. Color, color, color it in. So bright. The colors are so bright and beautiful. My green rectangle. Last shape. Can you remember in our previous shapes class it was the lonely shape? Correct. The star. Let's make a star. Adults here, you will have to help a bit because this shape can be sometimes tricky, but not for you. I can see you are doing just fine. Come on, let's color it in, our star. And what color am I using for my star? Red. Yes, red. Thank you, Mommy, Daddy, for the scissors. We are now going to start using our scissors and cut them out. So, adults, give a hand. So I'm not going to ask you to try and draw on the cut out on the lines, but if they are cutting out not on the lines, we are learning and we are working. That is what matters the most. So I've got my star. You can cut it out in any order. As long as we end up with 6 shapes. That's my rectangle. I'm now busy cutting out my oval shape. My pink oval is coming up. Give a hand where you see they need. My blue square. Oh. Cut, cut, cut. Dun, dun, dun. My yellow circle. There's one shape, one last shape that I'm cutting out. Mine is a triangle. What is yours? It looks just fine. So now what are we going to do with our shapes? Let me tell you. Drum roll. Give me a drum roll. I want you to build your house, your home. Can you build a home out of the shapes? What do we need? What is normally on top of the house? We have a roof. And then a house. What is outside? The grass. Here's the grass. What's on the grass? A ball. If it's hot in the day, what is shining outside? The sun. If it's night, it's dark and it's night outside, and there's no clouds in the air, what sparkles in the sky? A star. How beautiful. Now your homework. Is to go and paste down all the different shapes to make your own house picture. So again, a big shout out and a big thank you to our adults that's joining us and sharing this with the other classmates out there. Remember, it's available on Africa Teen Geeks YouTube, and you can catch up on all the other previous classes that you might have missed. Big shout out to our sponsors. Thank you for what you are doing, the hard work you're putting in to make our South African children keep on learning, even in this time that we are in. And children, listen up, where are you? Where are you? Oh, you are too busy with your homework. Let's have fun with our Splashing in the Sea song together. Here we go. Touch your knee with your opposite hand. And see you next time.